Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Easy Study, and today we'll study chapter 1 real number CBSE class 10th. So let's begin guys. In the previous video we studied Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm and the division rule. And now we will study FTA, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, in this we'll study firstly about prime numbers. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and etc. What are composite number? First of all, what are composite number? Composite number, I have an example for it, like 14. Now, why is it a composite number? Why is it a composite number? Because it is a product of two smaller integer 2 into 7. You must have understood this guys. Okay, now likewise the integers 2 and 3 are not composite number. Why they are not composite number? Because each of them can only be divided with 1. Because each of them can only be divided with 1. That's why they are not a composite number. Now then we'll talk about 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why? Because two numbers that aren't 1, it multiplies to equal 1. Because two numbers that aren't 1 can't multiply to equal 1. So because two number likewise we can say 2 and 3, so that aren't 1 can't multiply to equal the number as it is 1, so it can't equal to get when we multiply, so it can't equal to 1. Okay, can't be equal to 1. Okay guys, now this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it is just like LCM, like we did in 5th class and all. So likewise if we do example 2160, okay, 2160, okay, so in this we'll divide by 2 and then we'll divide by 2, so 1080, then we'll divide by 2 and then 3 3 3 5. So we'll write in this form. Firstly we'll write 2 into firstly wait a minute, 2160 is equal to, how many 2's we have? 1 2 3 4, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, and how many 3's do we have? 3 3's, such an interesting fact. 3 and 1 5, so 1 into 5. I don't have enough space, so I am writing here. So in the power form we have to write. Then after this number of 2's 1 2 3 4, so 2 raised to 4, and number of 3 3's, okay, and into 5 1, only 1 we have, so 5 raised to 1. Okay, likewise this was the bigger number LCM. Now we'll see the smaller number. We'll do same in that. By the way, 17 is a prime number, always remember. And now like we studied in prime number, I have wrote two more prime numbers in this, 11 and 17. As you can see here, 2 3 5 7 11 and 17 are the common prime numbers that we can use in LCM method, aka as known as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now guys, we have a very interesting thing in this. Now as we are given, find the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20 by the method of prime factorization. Okay, now in this we have to take out the LCM of 6. Okay, so guys, we have taken out the LCM of this number 6, as we are given find the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20. So the LCM of 6 is 2 and 3. So what we will write 2 raised to 1 and 3 raised to 1. 6 is equal to 2 raised to 1 and 3 raised to 1. Okay, and then now how many numbers of 2 are here? Two numbers of 2 are here, so 20 is equal to 2 square into how many numbers of 5 are here? 1, so we'll add 1. Okay, now we have to write the same here, and now let's see what is the common here. Common is 2, right? Common is 2, so we'll circle this part whole, and this will be the HCF. Okay, now we have find the HCF. Now we will concentrate on LCM. Now LCM, what will happen, that we had taken the common, right? We had taken the common, so we'll take the common 2 square. Okay, 2 square into 3 into 5. So what will be the answer? 2, 4 into 3, well, and 12 into 5, 60. So LCM will be the 60. Now we have to add a very important formula, that is HCF into LCM. Now what is HCF into LCM? It is equal to product of two numbers. Now I will explain you, or we can also write or 1 and 2. Now in this, what was our HCF? HCF was 2. Okay, so we'll substitute the value and write 2 here. And what is given here? The multiplication sign. So we'll add the multiplication sign here. And what was the LCM? 60. So 60 here. Now the product of two numbers. What was the product of two numbers given? 60 and 20. Okay, 60 and 20. So what is the first number? First is 60. First is 60 and 20. It is not 60 and 20. It is 6 and 20. Sorry, my bad. So 6 into what do we say? 6 into 20. 6 into 20. Okay, we'll write the same. So therefore we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. 120 is equal to 120. Okay guys. Okay, now we'll see a great example. We'll see a word problem, so it will get you clear that how to do these kind of sums in exams and all. Okay, now it is given that Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive around a circular field. Okay, while Ravi takes 12 minutes. If they start at the same time and point, what will be the time they meet at the starting point? Okay, so now Sonia and Ravi will see. Okay, there is a circular path. Here is Ravi, here is Sonia. Now what is given, that whenever these kind of sums are there, word problems, always make a diagram, so it will be easier for you to solve the sum. Okay, so now I have written before after Sonia that 18 minutes. Why 18 minutes? Because it is given in the sum. Okay, where it is? 18 minutes it is given in the sum. And Ravi, why I have given 12 minutes? Because written in the sum same. Okay, so now first we will find the LCM, and first we will find the LCM of 18 and 12. So we'll find the LCM of 18 and 12. So the LCM of 12 is 2 square into 3 raised to 1. Okay, done. Now what is the common from these one? 2 is the common, so LCM will be 2. So LCM, what will be the LCM? Is equal to 2 square into 3 square is equal to 36. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 into, so the LCM will be 36. Okay, LCM will be 36. Now we'll see the time of Sonia and Ravi. In this, Sonia's time is 0 we'll make a number line and see like that. Sonia 0, 18, 36, 54, 72. Now how 0 came here? By adding 0 plus 18, 18, it will be the 18, and 18 plus 18, 36, 36 plus 18, 54, 54 plus 18, 72. Okay, likewise in Ravi, 0 plus 12, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 36. Now wait, now here 36 and 36 meted. Okay, so therefore the time will be 36. What will be the time meeting point and the point 36, the starting point, sorry, the starting point will be 36. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel Easy Study, and please press the bell icon for getting the regular updates. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. And yeah, this subscribe button है ना, और मैंने अभी फ्री रखा है, तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार प्लीज़. अभी के लिए फ्री रखा है, मतलब अभी के लिए नहीं, मतलब लाइफ टाइम फ्री रहेगा आपके लिए, पर बस आप सब्सक्राइब कर दो, अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है, बाय.
साधारण सी है ये बात, परीक्षा करनी है पास, रोक के रखना अपनी सांस, अपनी एक ही आस पीछे सारे मंत्र और रट ले सारे फॉर्मूले, जब तक पार लगे